Hello, I'm Shanmukha from Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to talk about the human heart from subject biology for engineering. Subject code 21 BE 45. Its functions include pumping oxygenated and nutrient-rich blood to the body through blood vessels, and also pumping deoxygenated blood containing waste to the lungs, whereas the gas exchange to the outside environment occurs. The anatomy of the heart. Located under ribcage and in between the lungs. Its size varies depending upon age, size, and condition of the heart. On average, the heart is about that person's screams first. Its chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Aorta, the upper two chambers of the heart, receive and collect blood. Septum, it's a muscle that divides heart into right and left halves. Ventricle, the lower two chambers of the heart, the pumping out of the heart. Valves of the heart. There are four heart valves: tricuspid valve, pulmonary semilunar valve, mitral valve, aortic valve. Its purpose is to prevent backflow of blood, keep blood flowing in one direction. It has the basic function: getting in blood and getting out blood, so that the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is separated. The oxygenated blood is flown into the body, and deoxygenated blood is flown into the lungs so that it can be purified. Pump system of the heart. Heart is short like a pump or two pumps in one. Right side of the heart receives blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. And the left side of the heart does the exact opposite. It receives blood from the lungs and pumps it out of the body. The human heart is very strong and is capable of pumping blood up to 30 feet distance. An average heart beats maximum of 70 to 80 beats per minute and is considerably healthy. The efficiency of the heart can be maintained and improved by performing physical activity. The heart is called double pump system because each side pumps blood to a different circulation. Deoxygenated blood from the body drains to right side of the heart. This is the first pump that sends blood to the lungs, called pulmonary circulation, where it becomes deoxygenated and releases carbon dioxide. Electrical signal. The sinus node generates an electrical stimulus regularly 60 to 100 times per minute. Under normal conditions, the atria are then activated. The electrical stimulus travels down through the conditioned pathways and causes the heart's ventricle to contract and pump blood. ECG monitoring. ECG monitoring systems have been developed and widely used in the healthcare sector for the past few decades and have significantly evolved over the time due to emergence of enabling technologies. Nowadays, ECG monitoring systems are used in hospitals, homes, outpatient ambulatory settings, and in remote contexts. They also employ a wide range of technologies such as IoT, edge computing, and mobile computing. In addition, they implement various computational settings in terms of processing frequencies, as well as monitoring schemes. Block of blood vessels. Coronary artery disease is a common heart condition. The major blood vessels that supply the heart struggle to send enough blood, oxygen, and nutrients to the heart muscle. Cholesterol deposit, plaques in the heart arteries, inflammations are usually cause of coronary heart disease. Besides, high cholesterol damage to the coronary arteries may be caused by diabetes or insulin resistance, high BP, not getting enough exercise, and smoking or tobacco use. Stents. We're going to have a look at stents. A stent is a small mesh tube typically used to hold open passages in the body, such as weak or narrowed arteries. Stents are often used to treat narrowed coronary arteries that provide heart with oxygenated rich blood. Stents are also sometimes used to treat anus adhesion, which is a bulge in the wall of an artery to treat narrowed airways in the lungs. Here we have blood vessels, fatty plaque, which actually blocks it, the wire mesh which is used to extend the part, the balloon which is used to expand the stent. So in this way, the closed artery can be opened. Coronary heart diseases. The coronary diseases affects the larger coronary arteries of the surface of the heart. Another type of heart disease is called coronary microvascular disease. Affects the tiny arteries in the heart. The microvascular disease are more common. The cause of coronary heart disease depends upon the type. Coronary artery disease is often caused by cholesterol, a fatty substance that builds up inside the lining of the coronary artery, causing plaque. History. In 1970, doctors used a balloon angioplasty to help patients with narrowing coronary. In 1986, the first implant of coronary stent was human by French scientists. In 1944, FDA approval of the first coronary stent. The stents are revolutionary. They help in unblockage of the blocked coronary arteries. Let's have a short summary session on what all the topics we discussed. First, we discussed about how actually heart works, how actually it sends and receives oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and we have discussed a bit about stents, and we discussed about coronary heart disease, and how exactly it's treated with the stents. And if you actually feel this video is informative, please do like, share, and comments are welcome. Thank you.